Families from around the world came to federal court in Fort Worth today for a long-running legal battle over two deadly plane crashes. A judge is deciding whether airplane maker Boeing can avoid criminal prosecution under a Justice Department agreement. The families pleaded with the judge not to let that happen. Fox 4's Deon Anglin was in court today and has more. Deon.
Hi there, Clarice. That's right. Families from around the world, as you mentioned, flew into Fort Worth today. Many, during their testimony, spoke of their ongoing grief. The attorney representing them is from the University of Utah, and he is a nationally recognized expert in crime victims' rights.
Essentially, this is an effort to bribe their way out of prison, and we hope that Judge O'Connor sees through that and rejects the motion.
Law professor Paul Cassell represents 14 families who lost loved ones to plane crashes in 2018 and 2019 that killed a total of 346 people. Both incidents involved the Boeing Model 737 MAX jet.
We're dealing with accountability here, and we have to make sure that we hold Boeing to account for what they did.
Chris Moore, with his wife Clarice and son David, are still grieving their 24-year-old daughter Danielle. They are among more than a dozen others who flew to Fort Worth for the Wednesday morning hearing in federal court. Joshua Babu and his wife Emily flew 25 hours from Nairobi, Kenya, in memory of their late son and daughter-in-law.
We believe that if Boeing is prosecuted and held accountable, this will improve air safety because they will be more concerned about human safety and the aircraft that they design, because we all can't stop flying.
One by one, the families asked U.S. District Judge Reed O'Connor to deny the latest motion by the U.S. Attorney, an NPA, or non-prosecution agreement. If granted, Boeing executives avoid prosecution, and the company pays an additional $445 million to crash victims' families, a sum being called minuscule.
Who gets to decide the fine? Does anyone here know who gets to decide the fine? Well, Boeing did.
Boeing says it is the power of the executive branch to decide whether to bring or maintain a prosecution. And so the company is asking Judge O'Connor to grant the government's motion dismissing the criminal charge.
How do you call justice? I cannot forget, and I'm not forgiving. Only if this comes to trial and we will have justice, then we will be maybe forgiving. 346 lives. That's a criminal offense.
Now, following the testimony today, Judge O'Connor has said that he would take the testimony under advisement and issue a ruling, and quoting here, in due course. That's the very latest live in Fort Worth. Clarice, back to you.
Dan, thank you.